this video, we're going to talk about whirlpool dishwasher and what to do if you're having problems with it getting it clean, including the reset code. So a few things can cause your dishwasher not to clean properly. Let's take a look here. See, these clearly didn't get cleaned. Just kidding. Those are obviously just dirty dishes. Awesome. So in the back, we have the drain. Make sure you clean this out every once in a while. And that comes up. Clean that out. In addition to that, maybe once a month even, it wouldn't hurt to use some white vinegar. Take some white vinegar in a bowl or a dishwasher safe mug, something like that. Have it just sitting here on the top. That may move around a little too much, but pour some white vinegar in there. Run it through a normal cycle on hot. And that will spray that vinegar around and will help remove some of those deposits. And then when it drains, it'll go through the drain. That white vinegar will help clean it up. After you do that, be sure to wipe everything down, get the seals, get everything nice and clean. However, sometimes it still won't work. And the final tip on trying to get a Whirlpool specific washer at least, and they may make some other brands as well, is to do a reset. To reset the Whirlpool, sensor heavy normal, sensor heavy normal, sensor heavy normal. Lights are going to all light up. Now reset it, and that has corrected the issue for me a few times. Try it on yours. Let me know in the comments how it works for you, and hope this was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.